Hello guys! Today we are going to create this shark in Adobe Illustrator. I will be grateful if you rate this video and watch it to the end. So enjoy watching! And we will start with the first stage, circles. Lots of circles. I will not insert the full process, as it will take so long, you know. Color stage. I carefully choose the color palette and you can see it right now. So, detail stage. I add some small details to our work that complement the shark. Actually, you will see it further. I changed the shape of the fin. I just didn't like it, and that's it. And this is the final result. I want to say thank you all for watching. I hope you have already appreciated this video, and you can also click on the video has appeared. It will help promote both of them. Oh yeah, Happy New Year to everyone!